automate tasks such as transcribing interviews, fact-checking articles, and generating news briefs. This can free up journalists to focus on more creative and analytical work. In addition, AI can help journalists to identify and report on important stories that they might otherwise miss. For example, AI-powered tools can be used to analyze large data sets of news articles and social media posts to identify emerging trends and patterns. However, there are also some potential drawbacks to using AI in journalism. One concern is that AI-powered tools could be used to spread misinformation or propaganda. Section 4. Human reactions to robot reporters. Another concern is that AI could lead to job losses in the journalism industry. It is important to note that these are just potential drawbacks, and it is possible that AI will ultimately have a positive impact on journalism. However, it is important to be aware of these potential risks as AI continues to be integrated into the field. The public reaction to the use of AI in journalism has been mixed. Some people are excited about the potential for AI to improve the quality and efficiency of news reporting. Others are concerned about the potential for AI to be used to spread misinformation or to replace human journalists. It is likely that the public's reaction to AI in journalism will continue to evolve as AI-powered tools become more sophisticated and widespread. Journalists and news organizations will need to be transparent about their use of AI and to engage in open dialogue with the public about the potential benefits and risks of this technology. Conclusion. The future of journalism in the age of AI. AI is already having a significant impact on the field of journalism, and this impact is only likely to grow in the years to come. AI-powered tools have the potential to make journalists more efficient and productive, to help them identify and report on important stories, and to personalize the news experience for individual readers. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risks of using AI in journalism, such as the spread of misinformation and the potential for job losses. The future of journalism in the age of AI will depend on how journalists and news organizations choose to use this technology. If AI is used responsibly and ethically, it has the potential to enhance the quality and reach of journalism. However, if AI is used irresponsibly, it could have a negative impact on the field. It is up to journalists, news organizations, and the public to work together to ensure that AI is used in a way that benefits both journalism and